Children, let's we learn main course book and reference course book in 5th standard English medium subject maths. In main course book, chapter number 14, how big and how heavy, and in reference course book, chapter number 13, perimeter, area and volume. Perimeter, area and volume. Today we are learn about volume. Today we are learn about volume. Now exercise number 13.3, question number 1. The area of poster is 15 meter square. The area of poster is 15 meter square. If the poster is 5 meter long, if the poster is 5 meter long, how wide is it? How wide is it? Here given area of a poster. So first, area of poster is equal to 15 meter square. 15 meter square. If the poster is 5 meter long, if the poster is 5 meter long, how wide is it? How wide is it? So length of the poster is equal to 5 meter. So width of the poster is equal to what? Is equal to what? Now the area of a poster is 15 meter square. Area of a poster is 15 meter square. And length of a poster is equal to 5 meter. Width of the poster is equal to what? Width of the poster is equal to what? Now area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to area of the rectangle. Formula is equal to L multiply B. Today we find here B. B means breadth. So B is equal to area divided by L. Now area here is equal to 15 meter square and length is equal to 5 meter. Meter cut out. 5 3s are 15. So length of a poster is equal to 3 meter. Width of the poster is equal to 3 meter. Again one time, area of a poster is equal to 15 meter square. Length of the poster is equal to 5 meter. We find here width of the poster is what? So area of a rectangle is equal to L multiply B. Here we find what? B. B means breadth, width. So B is equal to area divided by L. So 15 meter square divide with 5 meter. Meter cut out. 5 3s are 15. So 3 meter. So width of the poster is equal to 3 meter. Width of the poster is equal to 3 meter. The perimeter of a volleyball court is 60 meter. Perimeter is equal to 60 meter. It is 90 meter long. So length is equal to 19 meter. Find its width. Find its width, breadth. So width is equal to question mark. Now perimeter of a rectangle. Volleyball court is shape. Which shape there? Rectangle shape is there. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter meter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply L plus B. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiply L plus B. Here we find width, breadth. So B we find. First, perimeter divided by 2 is equal to L plus B. We wants to here B. So B is equal to P divided by 2 minus L. P divided by 2 minus L. So here perimeter is equal to 60 divided with 2 minus 90. So 60, 30 to the 60. Now here 30 minus 90. So 10 minus 9 here 1 and 2 minus 1 here 1. So here 11 meter. 11 meter. So width is equal to 11 meter. Breadth is equal to 11 meter. Now here next number study number 3. The perimeter of a square painting is 8 meter. How long is each side? The perimeter of a square painting is 8 meter long. Here perimeter of square. Perimeter of square's formula is equal to 4 multiply side. So first here perimeter is equal to 8 meter and we find here side. We find here what? Side. Now perimeter of square, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiply side. 4 multiply side. So side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter here 8 meter divided with 4. 4 to the 8. So 2 meter. So side is equal to 2 meter. How long is each side? So there each side long 2 meter long. How many meter long? 2 meter long. Next question. The area of a rectangle is 30 centimeter square. So area of rectangle is equal to 30 centimeter square. What is the total area of a 4 such rectangles? What is the total area of a 4 such rectangles? So 30 area of 4 such rectangles is equal to 30 centimeter square multiply with 4. 3 4s are 12. That means 30 4s are 120 centimeter square. 30 centimeter square multiply 4 is equal to 120 centimeter. So area of 4 rectangles is equal to 120 centimeter square. Now next exercise number 13.4 related volume. What is a volume? We have already learned about capacity of an object. We have already learned about capacity of an object. This capacity is called volume. This capacity is called volume. Thus the volume an object is space occupied by the object. Thus the volume of an object is the space occupied by the object. The unit of volume is cube centimeter square. Yes, centimeter cube. Capacity. What is the capacity? In our home we fill the water tank. Fill the water. So water tank capacity. Water tank filled with water. Water tank filled with the water. So how many capacities are there? 1000 liter, 2000 liter. So their space is occupied. Their space is occupied. It is called volume. Now first one, find the volume of cuboid whose dimensions are given below. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. So here L is equal to 11 cm, B is equal to 8 cm and H is equal to 5 cm. So volume V is equal to L multiply B multiply H. So here 11 cm multiply 8 cm multiply 5 cm. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 multiply 11. 11 multiply 40. 11 4s are 44. So 440 1 2 3. So centimeter cube. Yeah, cube centimeter. 440 centimeter cube. Yeah, cube centimeter. Same as it is, V is equal to L multiply B multiply H. So 9 meter multiply 6 meter multiply 4 meter. So here 9 6 are 54. 54 multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. 216 meter cube. Volume of cuboid, this cuboid is 260 meter cube. Now next one here, V is equal to L multiply B multiply H. Here 4.5 centimeter multiply 3 centimeter multiply 15 centi 1.5 centimeter. So here 45 out of 10 centimeter multiply 3 centimeter multiply 15 out of 10 centimeter. 15 3s are 45. 45 multiply 45. So 5 5s are 25, carry over to 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22 0. 5 4s are 20, carry over to 4 4s are 16 17 18. 5 2 0 1 2. So our answer is 2025 out of 100 centimeter cube. So 20.25 centimeter cube. 20.25 centimeter cube. Now next D here, L is equal to 5 dm. L is equal to 5 dm decameter. B is equal to 22 centimeter and H is equal to 10 centimeter. So 1 dm is equal to 10 centimeter. 1 dm is equal to 10 centimeter. So 5 dm is equal to 50 centimeter. So here 50 centimeter. Now V is equal to L multiply B multiply H. So 50 centimeter multiply 22 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter. 50 tens are 500. 50 tens are 500. 500 multiply with a 22. 5 2s are 10, carry 5 2s are 10, carry over 1. 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. 22 multiply 2. 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So 1 1 0 and 2 more 0. So 11,000 centimeter cube. 11,000 centimeter cube. Now next one here, find the volume of cube whose side is given below. Whose sides is given below. Volume of a cube is equal to side multiply side multiply side. So V is equal to S multiply S multiply S. So 4 centimeter multiply 4 centimeter multiply 4 centimeter. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 centimeter cube. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 centimeter cube. Now here 6 meter. So volume is equal to S multiply S multiply S. 6 meter multiply 6 meter multiply 6 meter. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 6 6 are 36, carry over 3, 6 3 are 18, 19, 20, 21. 216 meter cube. 216 meter cube. Now next one here 6 meter again, so that volume is 216 meter cube. Now D 20 centimeter. So V is equal to S multiply S multiply S. 20 multiply 20 multiply 20. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8,000 centimeter cube. 8,000 centimeter cube. Next here 2.5 dm. So volume is equal to 2.5 dm multiply 2.5 dm multiply 2.5 dm. 25 multiply 25. 5 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12 0. 2 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 625. 625 multiply with 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12. Carry 1. 6 5 is 30. 31 0. 5 2 is 10. Carry 1. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 6 2 is 12. 5 2 6 5 1. 1 5 6 2 5. 1 2 3. Keep here point. 15.625 dm cube. 15.625 dm cube. Now next number student, number 3. The volume of an iron box is 140 meter cube. The volume of an iron box is 140 meter cube. If the breadth and height of the box are 7 meter and 2 meter respectively, find its length. Find its length. Here V is equal to 140 meter cube and B is equal to 7 meter. H is equal to 2 meter. We find here L. L is equal to what? So V is equal to L multiply B multiply H. So L is equal to V divided with B multiply H. So V is equal to 140 meter cube divided with 7 meter multiply 2 meter. 7 multiply 2 meter. 7 2s are 14. So 140 meter cube divided with 7 2s are 14 meter square. Meter square cut out. So 14 tens are 140. 14 tens are 140. So 10 meter. 10 meter. So length of the iron box is equal to 10 meter. Length of the iron box is equal to 10 meter. Again one time, the volume of an iron box is 140 meter. That means V is equal to 140 meters cube. If the breadth and height of the box are 7 meter and 2 meter respectively, so breadth is equal to B is equal to 7 meter, H is equal to 2 meter and L. Find its length. length L is equal to what? V is equal to L multiply B multiply H. So L is equal to V divided with B multiply H. 100 meter cube divided with 7 meter multiply 2 meter. 140 meter cube divided with 14 meter square. Meter square and meter cube cut it. Now 14 meter, 14 tens are 140. So our answer here 10 meter. So length of iron box is equal to 10 meter. Number 4, the volume of a woolen block is 324 centimeter cube. The volume of woolen blocks is equal to V is equal to 324 centimeter cube. If the length and height of the block are 1.2 dm and 3 centimeter respectively, so L is equal to 1.2 dm. 1 dm is equal to 10 centimeter. So 1.2 dm is equal to 12 centimeter. Then and height is equal to h is equal to 3 centimeter. Find its width. Width means b. B is equal to what? So V is equal to L multiply B multiply H. So B is equal to V divided with L multiply H. V is equal to 324 centimeter cube divided with 12 centimeter multiply with 3 centimeter. Now centimeter cut out. Then 12 threes are what? 12 threes are 36. 36 divided with 324. 36 yeah, 12 divided with 324. 324 yeah, 3 divided with, first we try with 3. 3 ones are 3, 0, here 2, 0, here 4, 3 8s are 24, 0, 0. So 12, 108, 3s are 324. Now 108 divided with 12. So 12 9s are what? Okay, 9 2s are 18, carry 1. 9 1s are 9 plus 1, 10. 12 9s are 108. So 12 9s are 108. So our answer is 9 centimeter. So breadth is equal to 9 centimeter. What? Breadth is equal to, yeah, width is equal to 9 centimeter. Thank you students.